What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we're at Pickle Harley Davidson, Pickle, Ohio, and I'm getting ready to take a test ride of the 2019. What's up?
So if you guys want to go ahead and follow the two older gentlemen,
okay.
You guys will be behind them, alright?
Okay.
Alright.
I'll be in the back.
Okay.
We're gonna be taking a ride review of the lowrider.
I'm gonna throw a tag on here.
2019. It's got the 107. Wicked red. Sick bike. It looks good for being red. It looks good. This guy right here is gonna take out the Road King. That's a pretty sweet bike too. I like that gray. There's a lot of chrome on that one, but I think if you like put a black exhaust on it and the air cleaner, take a little bit of the chrome away, balance it out. Sit down on this. This is like my fourth lowrider, or my fourth Softail that I've ever rode. What is this doing? Oh, I got my buttons mixed up. Alright, there we go. So, power, start, hazards, turn signals, horn, function, goes through trips, revs, what time it is, miles. Anyways, I'm going to try to bring up the rear. Pretty comfortable bike. Go. It's my buddy Ike. Kick the exhaust on this thing. He used to rear sets. I kicked the exhaust on this, trying to put my feet back. And these bars, even though they slope back, they like pull your arms forward. Oh, that's cool deluxe. Pretty cool deluxe. I just got off the Fat Boy. And that thing was the 114. And holy crap, the power on that thing. Holy crap, the power on that. This has got good power too. This 107 is nothing to sleep on. This is a great power bike. This has got plenty of torque. All the torque you need. This ain't a sport bike. This is a cruiser bike. We're in second gear. Mirrors are good. A little vibration in the mirrors. A little vibration in the mirrors. Turns in real good, real good. I feel scrunched up on this. A little scrunched up on it. I guess you call these mid. These are mids. Not quite forwards. Forward controls would be nice on this thing, and change the bars. Even though the bars slope back, they still kind of like keep my shoulders up. Real comfortable though. The seat is beautiful, dude. The seat is nice and plush. Very uneventful route we're taking here. Just a big square. There's a couple of turns and a roundabout, but other than that, it's just a bunch of right-hand turns. This guy lets us ride, so I'll kind of like try to fall back a little bit and get on it and stuff, just to let you guys see the power on it. Real comfortable though. Dips in. It's kind of weird. The bars want to fall over when you're turning. bars want to fall over when you're turning, so you got to push a little bit more, but it's a little different. But comfortable bike. If you're thinking about one of these Softails and you don't know if you want to spend the extra money for the 114, don't get me wrong. The 114 is awesome. The power never stops. The pull on that 114 never stops. But this right here is a rocket. Like, this thing is a rocket. This don't sleep on the 107. Really cool bike. I'm test riding as many Softails as I can, because I think a Softail is what I'm looking at getting. There's a couple of the baggers that I like, but I don't know if I really need a bagger. You know, I don't know if I'd get the full use of a bagger, because I don't ride that far. But then if I think that if I had one, then I probably would take longer trips. I do feel scrunched up on this. Now, I'm 6'1", about 200 pounds. I got a 36-inch inseam. I do kind of feel kind of big on this bike. I do feel kind of big on it. Just like the Fat Boy, my knees are kind of above the tank on it. Strange, but forward controls would change that, because my feet would be out here and bring my knees down a little bit. This guy leading the pack on that bagger, he just is not afraid to just throw it in the turns at all. See how the bars want to fall over? If you let it, the bars would just fall over. It's kind of different for me anyway, because I'm a sport bike rider. Shift smooth. Inch braking's not bad. So smooth, dude. So smooth. And the seat is so comfortable, dude. The seat is so comfortable. It's a hot one today. Look at this guy. If you notice, when I was getting on it, it's kind of hard to reach the kickstand because it comes straight down underneath the peg, so it's kind of hard to get the kickstand up. And we'll see how it is putting it down. But this is about it right here. This is just about the ride right here. See, they just want to fall over. It's weird. I like the tactile shifting, the real clunky, hard shifting. Let you know that you shifted. This is a nice bike. Good wind on me. It's a hot day today, so I don't mind it. You could long trip this for sure. I mean, even though I feel a little tight together, kind of scrunched up, but it's still comfortable. It's still comfortable. These bars just fall right where you want them to. Fun, fun, fun. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. I rode the Fat Boy, and I'm gonna ride a lot more bikes, as many as they'll let me ride. So check out my channel. There'll be more ride reviews on my channel. And peace, and I'm out. Not bad, not bad. Cool bike.